Hello everybody, Henry's Trains here, and today I'm at West Byfleet, situated on the southwestern main line. We should have a train coming soon. But yes, so obviously I haven't filmed an actual proper video with me speaking everything for quite a bit of time, partly because of going back to school and I've been quite busy. But we are finally here at West Byfleet, another station along the southwestern main line. Today you'll be seeing services only by Southwestern Railway. Unfortunately it is a Sunday, so there is no freight and just less trains generally, but this was the only day I could actually go somewhere. As you can hear, we should have a train coming very shortly. So yeah, this is very close to Woking on the line on the slow line. Well, if you're getting off there, you have to get a slow train on the line from Waterloo to Woking. But we should be seeing quite a few fast trains as well. I'm not too sure why, but I think quite a lot of, if not all, of the services to Portsmouth Harbour are not actually running today. Maybe that's just because it's a Sunday or engineering work or something like that. Anyway, let's see what shall arrive and depart here at West Byfleet. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. And our first train of the day is going to be the quite severely delayed 1621 South West Railway service to Woking. And this is on the front, we have 450-068. And this is doing the slow stopper. And also on the rear we have 450-002. So this is like doing the slow service that stops at pretty much every single station along this line. And passing through, not too soon, but in a bit we should have a couple of fast services doing the Waterloo to Woking, and I think they only stop at Clapham just for a pickup. So that's quite quick. Oh, down there is something I can see in the distance. That looks like it's coming quite fast. And if I'm not mistaken, this should be doing a service from Basingstoke and Alton to London Waterloo. So we had 450-053 and 450-009. And that was working a service to London Waterloo. And also departing is the delays 1621, zoom in for you, 1621 service to Woking. That departs off. And approaching now, we're going to have a passing service. 450, 127 and 119, and I think, yes, that was doing a service to Basingstoke and Alton, and coming from London Waterloo. West Byfleet is turning out to be a very quiet station, as is most of the stations on this line. Like literally here we have no one, a couple of people down there, but that's just it. Anyway, let's see what turns up next. And approaching now is going to be the delayed 1640 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. And again, this is doing the slow stopper. So we have a double set of 455s. On the front is 455-911. And I'll catch the rear when it departs. And departing now is going to be the 1640 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. And this has originated from Woking as every train, I think, stopping here has either originated from Waterloo or Woking. So on the rear we have 455 870, and I think that's delayed about 5 or 6 minutes. And approaching now, we're going to have a passing service. This is doing the express run from Woking to London Waterloo. That was 444, 001 and 037, sparking very nicely in the distance just down there. And now approaching, we're going to have a passing service. Oh, sorry guys, jeepers, that sparks massively down there. I was just trying to look at where it was going. I don't actually know, because I think that's just running really early. That's running about 10 minutes early, and that's doing the Waterloo to Woking Express. Must be. Sorry, I just completely missed it as I went around there. Anyway, you should have another service on this platform. That hasn't appeared yet. Very shortly though, should be another train. And that will be the slow stopper to Woking, I think. And approaching now, we have two trains. So one is just down there, and the other one is this one on platform 3. Is going to be the 1655 South Western Railway service to Woking. On the front we have 455 735. And also approaching, just over there, on platform 1 is the 1656 South Western Railway service to Barnes. So on the front of that we have 450 002, and on the rear of this is 455 716. So they both arrive in very nicely. And departing now is going to be the 1656 South Western Railway service to Barnes. So we have 450 002 and 450 068. And also departing, just over there, I'll zoom in a bit, is the 1655 South Western Railway service to Woking, and that's also doing the slow stopper. And approaching now, we're going to have I think this is going to be a double set of 450s doing the express run from Waterloo to Woking. So we have 444, 022 and 033. And that was, I thought that was going to be 450s, but it was 444s instead. In the next 10 minutes we should have quite a few trains coming through. So that should be quite exciting. And about to pass through now is going to be, I think this is just a 450. It's doing a service from Basingstoke and Alton to London Waterloo. We had 450, 043 and 014 with quite a few sparks down there. And approaching now, we're going to have a passing through service, and this is bound for Basingstoke. So we have 450, 004 and 079. Also arriving in, we're going to have the, I think this is slightly delayed, or maybe about 1 minute late, 1713 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. and this is doing the slow stopper from Woking. So on the front we have 455 716. I think we actually did see this earlier in the video. So there that arrives in, and we'll catch the rear when it departs. And departing now is going to be the 1713, 1613, 1713, 1713. I don't know what was on there. Don't know what I was talking about. 1713 South West Railway service to London Waterloo. Also, we have a passing service, and this is going from Basingstoke to London Waterloo. Oh 26 and 44 sparking a lot down there. Also, in the very distance, you guys can probably see a third light just to the right of those two trains. So I think that is passing service. Let me just have a look. Okay, yeah, I think that'll be doing a service to Basingstoke and Alton, which should be passing through just in a minute. So I had 444020 and 444015, and that was going to Basingstoke and Alton. That's right, straight after that we have another train, and let me just check where this is going. This is doing the Waterloo to Poole service. That 444, no, not 444, 450, 039, 087 and 042. I think that was actually doing the service to Basingstoke. The one before, that just passed through before that, was going to Poole, which kind of makes sense, because like you may as well put 444 was going to Poole rather than Basingstoke. But yeah, shortly also we should have another service passing through, bound for London Waterloo. Approaching now, we have two services. One is passing, one is stopping. So this one down here is going to be doing the fast service from Woking to London Waterloo. So that's 450, 060, 069 and 006. Here we have 450, 025. And this is going to be forming the 17, 21 South West Railway service to Woking, and this is doing the slow stopper, but this has actually come from Barnes. So yeah, but I think it still does stop everywhere on this line. So on the rear of that we have 450 055. And departing now is going to be the 1721 South West Railway service to Woking, which is formed of 450 025 and 450 055. And there that departs off. So approaching now is going to be my last train of the day. This is a passing service. This is going from Wareham to London Waterloo, and I think this is doing, I don't actually know where it stops, doing a pretty quick service, I think. .450, jeepers. Those sparks are massive. 450, 107 and 045, I think. So that was my last train of the day. I think approaching we have another service, but I haven't written it down, so I don't even know. I think it's probably going to Woking, to be honest, because it's on this platform. But that train before was my last train of the day. So yes, I appreciate I haven't done a video, like a proper speaking video, for literally ages. I think it's like 3 weeks or 2 weeks, something like that. But I've been trying my best. See, I'm here now. We have another train approaching. So yes, if you have enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a like, and subscribe to my channel for similar videos like this. Let's see what we have on this service. So we have 450, 455, 715 and 858. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Oh jeez, we have another train. I don't actually know when my next video is going to be at, so probably hopefully next Saturday I'll be filming that, but I'm not too sure. And we have something else passing. Let's just wait for this one. So that was 444, 011 and 023. 2 trains have now. Oh my days, I've got a third. What is this? Alright, looks like a 444. For 005 and 016. So for the last time, I will conclude my outro. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions or recommendations for stations, leave in the comments, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. So bye for now.